What's the meaning of courtly? Courtly. Courtly.
Courtly. Courtly. The term courtly refers to something that is characteristic of a royal or noble court. It denotes elegance, politeness, and refinement, which are qualities that were highly valued in the courts of medieval Europe. In literature, courtly is often associated with romantic love and chivalry. Overall, the term conveys an image of genteel behavior and high social status. Whether used to describe a person, behavior, or setting, courtly suggests a refined and sophisticated atmosphere that is both formal and elegant.